The story of Tommy and the fence, a lesson on controlling anger. In a small town, there lived a 10-year-old boy named Tommy who had a big problem with his temper. Tommy would often burst into fits of rage, yelling hurtful words at his friends and family. His angry outbursts were so frequent that other kids started avoiding him at school. Tommy's parents were worried about his behavior and tried various methods to help him. One day, Tommy's father, Mr. John, came up with a creative idea to teach his son about anger management. He decided to use a fence and nails to illustrate his point. He explained to Tommy how every angry word is like a nail driven into the fence and how removing them can leave scars. Mr. John took Tommy to their backyard, where a long wooden fence stood. He handed Tommy a hammer and a box full of nails, explaining his new plan. Every time you get angry and say something hurtful, I want you to hammer a nail into this fence, Mr. John said. Tommy nodded, not fully understanding but willing to try his father's strange request. The next day, Tommy came home from school and immediately grabbed the hammer and nails. He had gotten angry at his teacher and said some mean things, so he hammered 5 nails into the fence. As days passed, Tommy found himself visiting the fence multiple times a day. After a week, the fence was covered in nails, and Tommy's arms were tired from all the hammering. Slowly, he started to think twice before getting angry, not wanting to hammer more nails. Mr. John noticed the change and praised Tommy for his efforts. Now, said Mr. John, for every day you don't get angry, I want you to remove 1 nail. Tommy was excited about this new challenge and worked hard to control his temper. Days turned into weeks, and he found himself removing more nails than he was adding. He started making friends again at school as his angry outbursts became less frequent. After 3 months, Tommy proudly told his father that he had removed all the nails. Mr. John smiled and took Tommy to the fence to see his accomplishment. You've done well, son, he said, but I want you to look closely at the fence. Tommy examined the fence and noticed it was full of holes where the nails had been. The fence will never be the same as it was before. It's just like the hurtful words you say when you're angry. They leave marks on people's hearts. Tommy's eyes widened as he understood the deeper meaning of his father's lesson. Even if you say sorry, the hurt remains, just like these holes. Tommy felt a mix of sadness and determination to do better in the future. From that day on, he thought of the fence whenever he felt his temper rising. He worked hard to find better ways to express his feelings without hurting others. Tommy started using I feel statements instead of lashing out when he was upset. He learned to take deep breaths and count to 10 when he felt anger bubbling up inside him. Tommy's relationships with his family and friends improved dramatically. His teachers noticed the positive change and commended him for his efforts. Tommy even started helping other kids at school who struggled with anger issues. He shared his fence story with them, inspiring them to find their own ways to manage their emotions. As Tommy grew older, he never forgot the lesson of the fence and the lasting impact of angry words. He became known in his community as a patient and kind person who could calm others in tense situations. Tommy's journey taught him that controlling anger is a lifelong process, but one that's worth the effort. And so, the story of Tommy and the fence became a powerful reminder that our words have the power to hurt or heal.